The Defined Instruments IoT data acquisition and monitoring system comprises of three main components. The first, the Zen IoT Edge Processing Interface, providing real-world connectivity to sensor input sources such as environmental, temperature, humidity and air quality, energy metering, predictive maintenance sensors, and process inputs such as flow rate, pressure, reservoir levels, force and load. All data collected is time-stamped at origin and natively MQTT formatted for direct IoT host consumption. The Zen interface may be configured to perform local, logical mathematic calculation and control functions as required by the application. UTC synchronized origin timestamp data provides powerful advantages over traditional server-based SCADA monitoring systems, allowing data to be collected from multiple data acquisition points on a synchronized timeline. A configuration wizard is used to guide setup of the Zen IoT, and a macro scripting language is available to program the device to perform any special logic tasks or mathematic functions. A second component is the IoT Data Historian, API Aggregator and Analytics, provided by AWS, Amazon Web Services. Using an IoT host such as AWS for data storage provides data security unmatched by any local server-based monitoring system. By harnessing AWS, the Defined Instruments IoT solution is not only highly accessible, scalable, and secure, but can also seamlessly aggregate data from external API sources such as Google Maps, weather feeds, or market spot pricing. The third component brings this data together in the form of a status dashboard. Using predefined graphic widgets, the defined dashboard is easily configured by the user to provide the data visualization required. Once built, dashboard views are published to an AWS IoT server, where they can be viewed on any web browser that supports HTML5, a truly device-agnostic solution that operates seamlessly across platforms.